Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be doing our second look with the Natasha Denona palette. I was going to do something different, but when I went to the store to get the stuff I was going to use, I didn't want to go all the way into town. I only wanted to go to like Walmart, and I had looked up online all these things that people had done lately. New drugstore. I wanted to do new drugstore. I was going to get the e.l.f. holiday collection or the Pro Source. There was a Pro Source foundation. It was a skin tint, but same thing, right? So I was going to get that, and I just had all these plans, and my stores had nothing. So here we are. So I have already filmed the whole thing. This is the final look because I forgot to turn the sound on. I haven't done that, or the microphone. I haven't done that in a very long time, but I did it tonight. So you're gonna see this. I'm gonna voice over it because I'm gonna use the footage that I have. So if you see me talking, just pay no attention because there's no sound. And I will voice over and try and tell you if I can remember what I was saying. But you'll see everything I'm using and everything I do. I did start off the video with, I already had my foundation done, and I think I had my contour done too. So basically we're just mostly doing the eyes. I actually started off doing one eyebrow, this one. I did this one before I went on camera, and then I realized how awesome it is right now to do my eyebrows now that I've did the lamination and the tint. Oh, I also told you guys about a tip for the tinting. I'll tell you right now since you won't be able to hear what I said then. When you do the tinting, what I've realized is some of mine don't stay up as well as they should. It's like some of them stay up perfectly, and that's what I want the whole thing to do. So next time I'm going to go in, and the glue is kind of like lash glue. I'm just going to show you. It's got this kind of a brush on it, just a little brush. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush a little bit right here, and then I'm going to go straight in with a spoolie and brush it straight up and just hold it straight up till it stays straight up, and then just wait a second and let it dry just like that because it only takes a minute. And then I'm going to go to the next little section, and I'm going to put the glue on it and brush it straight up and make sure it stays that way, and don't brush it anymore. Once you get it where you want it, just let it dry, and then do the next section and push it up, because when I did it, I put glue all over the whole thing, and then I tried to comb through it to get them the way I wanted them, and the glue dried so fast that these ones did okay, but these here where they really needed to stay, they don't stay. I have to brush them up again. So I'm ready next time when I do it again, and I will do it again. I just can't do it so soon because it does have, it's like doing a perm. It has that perm stuff, so I don't want to do it again. Oh, I also got new nails. These are Halloween nails. They are like a Hershey's chocolate bar. They're brown and chocolatey, and they've got the lines like the bar, you know, the squares like Hershey's bar has. And then some of them have little claws on them. They're called claws too. And that's like, don't touch my chocolate. That's what that's supposed to be. Don't touch my chocolate. And I feel that way. Anyways, this is what they look like. I got them at Walmart, and they had them all down here. So they're brown with little plaid, and then some little claws on some of them. Not on all of them. But anyways, I thought they were cute. So that is it. Oh, and I also think I would get the shade lighter, because when you look at my brows in the up close, they look black. So I would get the light brown, because this was medium brown. But I know it's going to fade. It's only been 2 days, so I know it's going to fade. But it hasn't yet. It's way better than the mustache thing that I used for beard, something for men, or the henna. This is way better. But I would get the lighter color next time. So anyways, moving on. So when you see the next part, it will be with my foundation and face done, and we're going to start on the eyes. So I hope you enjoy this. I'll be back at the end. Okay, so like I said, I forgot to turn the recording on. So we're starting off with my foundation is on, and I have done one eyebrow. So I'm doing the other eyebrow to show you guys how simple it is to do my eyebrows now that I have had them laminated, since I laminated them myself rather. But I'm just putting on my Cabral in, I think that it's number 2 is the color, and it goes on so nice, and I just can't say enough about laminating. And I did tell you my little tip for that home laminating kit, something that I didn't do this last time, but I'm gonna do it next time. So yeah, we should be just about done with this brow. Okay, and so now we're going to do the eyes, and we're going to use the middle row. And I'm just showing you the colors that I'm going to use. I'm going to start with that color. It's called Blend. And then the one next to it on the end is called Smoke. We're going to use that one. And then we're not going to use the darkest color in the row. I said we were going to, but then I didn't, because I was going to put it underneath. It says lash line, so you can use it as a liner, but I didn't. So anyways, we're going to start off with our transition color, and it is the one that says Blend in the middle row. And this is going to take just a few minutes because we want to blend it up nice and high, because I have such deep set eyes. I really have to work on that bone. Otherwise, color just doesn't stick to it. It all goes down into the crease. And then there's just too much space between my crease and my brow. So that's what we're doing. Just blend, blend, blend. And I really like these colors, and I really like this palette because it blends really nicely. And for some reason, I let you guys watch both eyes. Usually I only do one because, you know, you get the gist of it with just one. But I guess because we're doing just eyes, I decided to let you watch them both. So that's what we're doing. Just blend, blend, blend. And I blend it all the way up. Almost, not quite to the brow, but almost, trying to shrink down that bone. Then I went a little crazy, so I had to wipe it off. I thought at one point I was going to end up having to use concealer on that, but I didn't. So now we're going to go into the crease and the outer corner with that Smoke is the color on that one. And I keep yawning because it's late, because I didn't realize I was going to have to do a voiceover. I can't believe I forgot to turn the mic on. Anyways, we're just going to blend this in the outer corner, in the outer V, and up into the crease a little bit. These colors are so nice. That's when I was talking about putting the concealer there, but then I never did go back and do it, so. And now I think I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend the two together. And I actually think I go into that first color to blend that in a little bit better, that darker color. And there you have it. Now the next color is the color that goes on the lid, the inner lid, and it is kind of a cool tone, and I wasn't sure I was going to like it because it looked kind of gray, and I don't look good in gray because I have a lot of yellow tone to my skin. So for some reason, the grays, I mean, I can wear cool tones, but just not the grays. And it is kind of gray, but it looked okay. But I think when I do the inner corner, I decided that I would have liked that better because it was golder. And this is kind of silver. And it's not as easy to put it on with fingernails now. But I don't care. I needed those fingernails. I wanted that other Halloween's ones that they had pictured, but they didn't have any of them. They were the pointy ones, which I never get. I don't even really like those, but these were cool because they were painted for Halloween. But they didn't have any, so I couldn't get those. I had to get these. These were the only ones they had left, and they were square, which I like the square. But I would rather have had they were orange and black and had stuff on them, Halloween stuff. These ones just, I mean, they're okay, but really, candy bars? Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing. I wasn't watching. Oh, I'm putting the inner corner in. And it's really pretty. It's very yellowy, and I wish I had used that on my lids. But I still like the way it turned out, so it's fine. Now we're going to push line, and to push line, you put your little finger on your lid and you push, and your eyelash will like curl up around your finger, and then you draw down little downward strokes between the lashes so that you get a bit of that crayon wax. It's not really very waxy, it's pretty creamy, between the lashes. And it is the Maybelline Tattoo Pencil Liner in the color Onyx. And then you take your flat brush. That's a Morphe 432, but e.l.f. also has one, and you just go from the top and you just wiggle it back and forth to blend out that crayon or that pencil that you just put between the lashes. You just want to make sure there's no skin showing. And then I usually pull it up towards the lid a little bit to make a kind of a smudgy liner line. And then I pull it even higher in the outer corner to give it some lift. Oh, now we're going to put lashes on, and we are putting on the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I have already cut them because I've already worn this pair before, so I've already cut them down to the size, and I'm just putting on my glue now. And that glue I got on Amazon, and it is super good, super black. I will list it below. It's by Envy, I think is the name of it. It's super strong glue, but I will list it below so that you can, I've never seen it anywhere except on Amazon, but you can just look at it that way and see what the name of it is, because I can't remember right now and I don't have it in front of me. Anyway, I'm just putting that glue on the lash, and then I put the lash back down to let it get tacky while I do the other lash. And I was talking. Then I get ready to put it on, and I realize I haven't put any mascara on. So we put the lash back down and grab our mascara and our eyelash curler. And when I curl my eyelashes, I just hold it for a count of 10. And then I put on my mascara, which whenever I'm going to wear eyelashes, I always use the Tightline mascara because it is the greatest if all you want to do is turn your lashes blacker, because it does a great job. It's super black, it's super matte, and it never clumps. Now, it's not going to give you volume or length or anything, but it definitely does. It's great if you're going to put lashes on. And I was. And I was trying to hurry because I already put the glue on. But I didn't really need to because it was fine. I think I was still talking about the mascara there. And then I'm going to grab my lash again and put it on. Oh, but there's a fuzzy on it. I forgot. I tried to get it off, but I couldn't. So I couldn't see it until whenever I'd hold it up to my eye, I could see the fuzzy. So I grabbed some tweezers. I got in front of the mirror and I found the fuzzy, and I got it. That fuzzy was actually a cat hair. And then I just set the middle down, and then I attach the ends, and then I squeeze it together with my lash. And that is all there is to it. And I used to struggle when I first started trying to wear lashes. Oh my gosh. I would use too much glue for one thing. I wouldn't let it get tacky enough. But you just got to keep going, and you will learn how long it can sit there and how much glue to put on. And then it's really simple once you've got the hang of it. It just takes a little while. And you just have to keep wearing them like every day so that you can learn how. Because the more you take them off and put them on, the better you're going to get at it. Because I haven't worn lashes in a long... I used to wear them all the time. And then I started using that lash serum, and my lashes got beautiful. And so I didn't wear lashes. And so I thought when I went to wear lashes again, it would be difficult. And it was a little bit the first time, but nothing like when I really first started. It's like riding a bike. Anyways, that is it for our eyes. All we have left are lips. And we are going to use this. This is the new Maybelline Lifter Gloss. And I got it in the color 006 Reef. R-E-E-F, Reef. And it will be linked below. But it's super pretty. And it stayed on pretty good because it's not a liquid lip. It's just a gloss. But when I put it on, it stayed on pretty good. Not like a liquid lip. You can't eat with it and expect not to have to put it back on. Like, I've got liquid lips that they're still there after you eat. But I don't think this one would be. It's just a gloss. But it's really pretty, and it stayed good until I ate. But I think that's it. I think we're done. Okay, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!